The Coinceras team, howdy. It makes me happy that you chose to revisit my channel. When regular people start buying into this ecosystem, I'll show you why an XRP will cost more than 50 cents won't cut it for those people. Also, they won't be shelling out 0.02. Actually, they should brace themselves to pay substantially more than that. First, let's take a look back at 2013 to remember some major events, then, I'll teach you how in today's video. Prior to XRP's popularity overtaking Bitcoin. Both Bitcoin XRP and Bitcoin Litecoin XRP will remain in circulation until the end of 2013. For the longest time, these two choices were the best. Back in 2014, sure, in exactly 1 year from now, we will have arrived at the year 2015. You can now use both Bitcoin and XRP. 3 new digital currencies XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum emerged towards the end of 2015. The huge leap becomes apparent when you see Ethereum at 4 here, doesn't it? Because this ecosystem has not witnessed a utility-driven market cap or even an asset driven by utility utilized within financial infrastructures. It is crucial to ignore Ether and Bitcoin when discussing speculation and utility. Indeed, I agree. The difference was glaring. Ripple is aware of it as well. What follows is a 2016 timeline. Ethereum continues its ascent in January, joining Bitcoin and XRP in this list. Could you handle the task? Is this location it? It is now January 31st. Ethereum is closing the gap with Ripple. Take a look at this subsequent giant leap. It appears that the sole subjects we are covering are insider trading and speculation. Next, take a look at that. It occurred on January 31st, 2016, on Ethereum. We are currently valued at 176 million in the market. It is completely logical that in September 2016 Ethereum's market value surpassed XRP and became the first cryptocurrency to reach 1 billion. Concerning the XRP price, I am completely apathetic. This product's demand and use cases are supported by real-life examples. That is going to surprise a lot of people. You can get it for less than 1 in this lifetime, even though it's trading at 30, 100 on a very cautious scale, and 10, 30 also. You won't believe what's about to happen, I'll show you. This onboarding process is also not considered by everyone. Just pretend for a second that the next morning you learn that XRP's price has exploded from 40 cents to 5. Just before the clock strikes 12 hours. By making this change, you might drastically reduce the price of XRP. There will be no slow build-up to the intensity of this once it begins. It is intriguing to consider a significant increase from 40 cents to 5. However, many individual investors may pass up this opportunity. There will be no warning before the XRP price changes. Some people will exclaim, "Wow, this thing just blew past 1.02, and investors will begin to feel a little anxious. As for the third factor, its actual worth. How far can one expect to succeed? Speculative investors will begin to place bets once that occurs. Could you please explain this to me? There will be a stampede to the exchanges to buy as prices rise. The time commitment required to register for an exchange, however, has already been overcome. The next step is to identify your target market. The verification process can take several hours to several days, but that shouldn't stop the price of XRP from going up. If the demand is excessive, the exchanges may put a hold on activating accounts or even create backlogs. As a result, responding to support tickets can take several days. When something gets out of hand, everyone will lose control. With new members attempting to fund exchanges, I'm excited for us to be a part of all the action that's about to happen. Moreover, the distance is quite short. Moreover, we shall record each and every one of those occurrences. Picture this: you're on an isolated wasteland, waiting for your account to be verified, all the while the price of XRP skyrockets. In addition, a significant sum of money could slip through your fingers if you wait too long. It is crucial that you all go through numerous exchanges to validate your accounts, onboard and offload assets, and guarantee a testing-free withdrawal process. You must immediately add your verified accounts in order to process withdrawals. Things are likely to heat up quickly once cryptocurrency takes off. It makes a significant difference to be fully prepared. Before moving on to the next step, make sure you have everything you need. Numerous individuals are unaware of this shift. We also talked about who owns what amount of XRP on yesterday's episode. On top of that, just a handful of individuals actually own XRP. Even if 1% of the global population owned XRP, and I'm being extraordinarily conservative with that assumption, it would still be a minuscule percentage. Make sure you all know that utility assets are different from speculative ones. I believe everyone understands now. Consider the last 12 years. This biosphere has disappeared. Consider the question of why banks and other financial organizations still haven't adopted Bitcoin and Ethereum. No banking institution is currently utilizing this tool. Let us pretend I am correct. The introduction of stock index funds is imminent. The banks, however, get nothing from that. It accomplishes nothing to improve the efficiency of their infrastructures. Do all of you understand this? Please consider giving the video a like and sharing it if that's the case. For the simple reason that we have not witnessed any tangible advantage throughout the last 13 years. This might go absolutely bonkers if folks realize that XRP and similar utility assets aren't the same as speculative assets like Ethereum and Bitcoin. Having said that, I suppose 1,000 worth of XRP isn't too unreasonable. But this has been known to you all since the channel started. I am fully responsible for everything that has happened. Nothing says it won't go up to 100 just because I stopped at 10, 20, 30, or 40, my friends. I assure you that the mere act of tallying my data will not bore you. I want to sell a couple for 5 or 3 to make a nice profit, but the question is if you're willing to cash out early or sit tight for the duration. I don't see the point in remaining here. On the other hand, I will certainly come to regret it. Thinking back, I made the decision to invest for the future. Wow, after 20 years, this entire ecosystem will still be around. Full and comprehensive, the market's overall worth will surpass 100 trillion within the next 2 decades. I am grateful if you are a new subscriber to my channel. I will meet with you later.